mount and go, mount and make you ready. Oh, mount and go and be the captain's lady. When the drums do beat and the cannons rattle, thou shalt sit in state and see thy love in battle. When the vanquished foes use for peace and quiet, to the shades we'll go, and in love enjoy it. Oh, mount and go, mount and make you ready. Oh, mount and go and be the captain's lady. It was marked Mr. Burns's old words in his submission to Scots Musical Museum, and he didn't sign it. I mean, he didn't, it wasn't marked with a Z there, and it was just on his submissions list. So, published anonymously is what it was. This tune, Mount Your Baggage, I have from James Aird's selection of Scotch, English, Irish, and foreign airs. What appears to have been taken and adapted poorly by the Scots Musical Museum, as was their wont. Number 233 there. We don't have the manuscript. And the way they published it was, there's a 6-measure chorus, which is Mount and Go, be the captain's lady. And then there's a 12-measure B part. What they did was repeat each verse, word for word, to go through the B part. And what I have done is just gone verse, verse, and then back to the chorus. Now, it's possible that Burns suggested this, as he did for one other song, but in general, the Scots Musical Museum's musical director, Stephen Clark, would use his lyrics as filler at will if he didn't understand Burns's directions or whatever. So I like it that way. It's short but sweet. But the reason I really did it was that the A part really goes better with the first verse and the B part with the second verse, like, to the shades we'll go. That's a quiet bit of the melody, and it's not, to the shades we'll go. You get that? And the other part is equally awkward when the drums do beat and the cannons rattle. Thou shalt sit in state and see thy love in battle. It doesn't work nearly as well as shalt sit in state and see thy love in battle, you know. So that's my reason for setting it up this way. They actually still say Ladie instead of lady. So at least I've heard Scots singers sing Ladie instead of lady, so that rhymes with lady. And in Burns's time, the word joy rhymed with sky. Lyle rhymed with trial. That's how they said things. So that's why I did In Love Enjoy It. That's all I have to say about this. Hope you enjoyed it and will subscribe.